Hello, I'm Leo Page at MarineMax in downtown Fort Walton Beach, Florida. And today I'm going to show you aboard our 2019 Harris 250 Sunliner. This vessel features our dual helm seat center walk-through. As you come around to the transom, you'll see it's powered by a Mercury 200 horsepower engine, stainless steel tow bar, stainless steel boarding ladder, seagrass flooring with teak inlay, quilted upholstery, RGB lighting that gives you light up cup holders as well as lights underneath the sofas, flip down armrest. Come around to the helm. The helm features the JL Audio head unit, ergonomically laid out controls, as well as the Simrad Go 5 chart plotter GPS fish finder. We come around to the bow of the boat. You'll see once again the nice large seating for the whole family to get out on the water, in-floor storage, as well as the 6-speaker audio system. Come by MarineMax in downtown Fort Walton Beach, Florida today to see the Gulf Coast's largest selection of new wave pre-owned boats, or call me directly at area code 407-394-7623.